Since 1978, Habpro Garage Doors has been providing top-notch garage door repair services in Hoschton, Georgia. Our certified techs provide the highest quality parts and services available in the industry for home and business overhead doors. Is your garage door opener on the fritz? We provide and service all popular brands, such as LiftMaster, Genie, Linear, and more. Been thinking about upgrading to a new insulated or more modern garage door? Visit our website and see our wide selection of popular CHI, Amar, Clopay, and more. If your garage door won't open or close properly, you most likely need a spring replacement. We stock the most common brands and sizes for any door you may have, and in most cases, provide same-day service in Hoschton. Be sure to Google Habpro Garage Doors and check out our hundreds of real 5-star Google customer reviews. If you're needing a company you can trust, be sure to visit us online today to schedule your service, or call us now at 770-985-3355. Take care, and thanks for watching.